This how to 1 minute will show you how to make and upload a YouTube thumbnail on iPhone. So first of all, open a browser and open this website canva.com. If you're first time here, you have to create an account. You can use your Google and Apple ID to create a new account here. So create account, and after that tap on this search box here and type YouTube thumbnail. Here you will get lots of free and paid thumbnail design, thumbnail template. You can choose any of them to customize according to your choice. For example, I want to customize this one, so I'm going to tapping on it. Now tap on elements to start editing, and that's how you will be able to edit the thumbnail. You can tap on effects to add some effects. You can tap on filter to add any filter here. Then you can crop your photo by selecting crop. So from this bottom menu, you can customize your thumbnail according to your requirements. And to add extra text on your thumbnail, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom left, and you can add elements from here. You can upload your own photo by selecting uploads tab. You can add a text from here and simply tap on the text which you want to add. Then you can change the size of the text from here. Once you finished your editing, tap on the share icon at the top right, tap on download, select the file type, download. It may take some time to download the thumbnail. Now tap on download, open in, and tap on save image. And if I open my Photos app, here you can see the thumbnail has been successfully downloaded. And now let's add this thumbnail to our YouTube video. So again, you open your browser and type YouTube Studio and open youtubestudio.com. Tap on continue to studio and make sure to log in into your YouTube account here. Now tapping on create, upload videos, select files, and all you have to need just select here the video which you want to upload to your YouTube. Now tap on edit draft. From this thumbnail section, you will be able to add your thumbnail to this video. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.